Start by adding your main photo to the project. Now duplicate the photo and place smaller copies on both sides. Adjust the size and position to create a stylish layered effect. Next, add a bold background with colorful text to make the subject stand out. Use the crop and positioning tools to keep everything perfectly elegant. Add a clean transition and a little motion to make the edit feel more dynamic. Finally, check the timing, preview the full video, and export it in high quality. And there you have it, a simple photo transformed into a professional viral style edit. Try these effects and make your own versions.